Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Sometimes you try to jailbreak your iPhone, but it will get stuck on a black screen, and when you try to connect it to your PC, it shows nothing. Even if you try it on the check run, it shows nothing. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this problem. So here you can see this phone is also stuck on a black screen. Today I'm going to share two solutions of this problem, so you can easily fix this. Here you can see my phone is not responding even if I am connecting the data cable in it. Okay, so here we go for the solution. Here is solution number 1. So all you have to do is press the side button, the home button and the volume down key. This will force restart your phone, and if your phone is stuck in DFU mode, it will turn it on. Here you can see I am holding all the buttons and the phone is turned on. So this solution worked for me this time, but if it doesn't work for you, don't worry, I have another solution for this problem. Okay, here you can see the phone is turned on, but if this doesn't work, here is solution number 2. If you have already created a bootable USB with checker end, so just skip this part, but if you haven't, so just watch the video and see how you can easily create a bootable USB with working checker end. You can download the files, the link is in description. Here you can see I am using Rufus and I have selected the ISO file. Just insert a USB. Make sure the partition scheme is selected on MBR and just start. It will ask you for format USB, click yes. Just wait for a few seconds. That's it, our bootable USB is ready. Now just shut down the PC. Okay, now when you turn on your PC, just go to the boot menu by pressing your boot key, and here boot in USB storage. Here you can see the checker and logo. Now when you try to connect your phone with checker end, nothing happens, as you can see. Now what we have to do is exit the checker end. Here you can see the command is running. Type the following command here: checker end space /c and enter it. Now you can see the checkran is running in CLI mode, and at the bottom you can see it says waiting for DFU devices. Now when you connect your phone, it will detect it in DFU, and you can see the Apple logo on the phone. And now the phone will boot up. Here you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.